In the last 6 months, Meta has laid off 11,000 of their employees, Google has laid off 12,000 of their employees, and Amazon has just begun to lay off 18,000 of its employees. Now, these are just some companies out of the thousands out there, and there is no guarantee that your company won't be the next one to lay you off, which is the reason why it's super important for you to stop relying on one source of income and start building a side hustle. And so to help you with that, in this video, I'll be sharing 3 unique side hustles which you can start from your home with absolutely £0, and it can help you make over $500 per day. At number 3, we have selling TikTok hooks on Etsy. Now, as soon as I said this, some people must be like, holy crap, this isn't for me. Well, guess what? Listen up. This is for anyone, and in my opinion, this is the easiest side hustle anyone can ever do because you'll be using something called ChatGPT. Now, if you currently go on Etsy and simply type in TikTok hooks and just press enter, this listing will come up. And what's crazy is that all this listing is basically hooks for TikTok. And once you buy it, you have to download a digital product, which means the seller only done this one time, uploaded it to Etsy, and every time someone purchases it, that person makes money. Now, you must have a question, Jats, I'm not a TikTok expert. I don't even know how to make a TikTok video. How can I do this? Well, as I said, we're going to use ChatGPT. All you need to do is create an account on ChatGPT and simply type in this: 100 TikTok hooks for any type of TikTok video. Write this. It will give you 100 hooks. You're gonna copy those 100 hooks, put it on a Word document, save it as a PDF, upload it on Etsy, put good keywords in the description so that whenever someone searches for TikTok hooks, your listing shows up. And guess what? You can charge more because you can simply put in ChatGPT, give me 200 TikTok hook ideas. And let's say you charge £20 for 200 TikTok hooks. Then in order for you to make £500 in a day, you just need to sell it 25 times. Now, some of you might be thinking, but Jats, I don't think people will buy it 25 times in a day. Well, guess what? You can always advertise it to targeted audience like creative influencers like me. I will pay £20 or $20 for 200 hooks any day because that can allow me to make thousands more through brands, affiliate income, and just YouTube AdSense as well if people go on my YouTube from there. So this side hustle, in my opinion, is going to make a lot of money because not many people are doing it right now. And I feel like there is a huge gap in the market which can be filled by people like you. Side hustle number 2 is creating YouTube shorts for creators with a guarantee. Even if you don't know how to video edit, listen up. Now, to explain this side hustle better, creating YouTube shorts for creators is basically you go on the internet, find creators like me on YouTube, and you're gonna tell them that, look, I will create short videos out of your long video, like this video out here. I'll create like 5 shorts out of this and I'll send it to you. In return, you'll need to pay me a certain amount of money. That's what creating shorts is for creators. Now, I get so many emails about, Jats, I will create you shorts. Jats, oh, I offer this service. But here's the problem with all of you doing that. Number 1, you're sending an email without any work. How can you expect me to say yes if I don't even know what type of short you're going to create? So that's the first problem. And the second problem, and in my opinion, the biggest problem, is that most people reach out to offer a certain type of service. But how can you expect the other person to be like, yeah, I'm willing to pay £1,000 just for you to create shorts for my YouTube videos, which I can do as well by just giving it out away to maybe an editor in India for half the price? Why would I trust you? This is where the guarantee comes in. If you can guarantee me results, right? If you can guarantee me results, I'm willing to pay you whatever you want to charge me. So many people focus on the marketing of the product that they forget the delivery of the product itself. So many people out there, like marketing agencies or even creators, they want money from brands or from creators, but they don't want to actually show the results. And if you don't do that, then in the long term, you're not gonna make a lot of money because people won't like to work with you. And this is the same with creating YouTube shorts for creators like me. If you wanna work with me, I will only continue working with you if you can bring me results. So if you're confident in yourself that, okay, I can generate 500,000 views in a month, in return, I will charge you £3,000 per month. Guess what? Most creators will be like, holy crap, 500,000 views for me just paying £3,000. Well, I'm saying just £3,000, but I'm just over exaggerating the numbers. However, it could be £1,000 and you guaranteeing 500,000 views on shorts. And looking at shorts right now, they're popping. And getting 500,000 views on shorts is not easy, but it's not hard as well because all you need is one video to blow up and that's done. And you can literally tell the creator that, look, if I don't reach 500,000 views, then you don't pay me until I reach 500,000 views in total. And if you do reach that, then you can again start the next kind of batch of shorts for that creator and charge them another £1,000. And let's do some quick maths. If you have 10 clients or 10 creators which you work for, and each of them pay you £1,000 a month, that's £10,000 in a month. Most people make that in a year. I used to make £12,000 at my old IT job in a year. This is a side hustle which I feel like so many people are doing, but they're not doing it right. So if you go out there and guarantee this, you will make a lot of money in this creator space. Now in the start, I did say that even if you don't know how to edit, listen up, because guess what? You can go on YouTube right now, learn how to edit, and then watch another video on how to make engaging shorts. There you go. Keep practicing on your own videos, or just download someone's videos like Alex Hormozi or whoever's out there in the kind of space you want to start working on. So let's say you want to start working with finance creators, which is a good niche because most finance creators have more money as they have a higher CPM compared to people like making gaming videos. But whatever you're passionate about, if you're passionate about finance, then you can go in the finance niche. If you're passionate about gaming, you can go in the gaming niche. If you're passionate about cars, you can go in the car niche and car creators and just edit their videos for free. And until you become good, just keep doing it. Once you're good, send them that, look, this is the work I have done. Like, this is the videos I've created for you, and I can guarantee you bringing you this many views. In return, all I'll be charging is this. Until I don't get to the views, I won't be taking any payments. Would you like to work with me? I will guarantee you, most likely they will say yes. And moving on to side hustle number 1, TikTok affiliate marketing. Let me explain this. You can go and open an Amazon Associates account right now. Amazon Associates is basically Amazon's affiliate program where you can get an affiliate link for any product on Amazon, which means if anyone buys the product using your link from Amazon, Amazon will pay you a commission for that. So this is what you will be doing for the side hustle. You're gonna go on Amazon, get a product like this, which looks aesthetically pleasing, or any type of niche you want to get into, or it doesn't even have to be niche. It just needs to be a product that is kind of weird, fun, or viral. Make a video around it. When you get views for the videos, you're going to tell people that the link to buy that product is in the comment section, or it's in your bio, or it's wherever you have placed it. You can let people know. And let's say your video gets 100,000 views, which is really possible on TikTok because TikTok has one of the best algorithms to go viral instantly. Let's say you get 100,000 views, and from 100,000 views, only 1%, which is 1,000 people, decided to click on your link to buy that product. And out of the 1,000 people, only 500 of them actually bought the product. And for those 500 people, you get paid a commission of 80p, all right, or 80 cents. If you multiply 500 by 80, that is $400 from just one video. Let me put this amazing clock back. Now I already know what you are triggered about right now. You must be thinking, but Jats, how can I do this with no money if I need to buy the product on Amazon? Well, guess what? You can do this. You can go on Amazon, find the product you want to actually make a review about, and find the ones which has less reviews. So you know on Amazon, every product has a certain amount of reviews. You need to find the ones which has really low reviews, which you'll usually find on the second or third page of that specific product listing page. Go on that product, then you will need to go on the seller. Once you click on the seller account, then you need to click on ask a question. When you click on ask a question, it will just come up with Amazon asking you what type of query it is, and just press others. And then you need to put this in the message. Dear seller, my name is Jatin. I recently came across your product and I really love the way your product looks. Will you be able to send me a sample of the product and I will leave a review in return? My family also loves this product and are probably gonna buy in the future. Done. You're gonna send this off to the actual seller, and most likely Amazon sellers, because I know Amazon, they always want reviews for the product, which means they will send you a sample, or they will tell you a way where they will send you a product for free, and in return you can just leave a review. Now, I highly recommend you first try and find out if they have a website for that specific product or that company, because if they do, try and contact them through that, because Amazon has different type of policies about the seller can't send the product off for a review or something like that. But if you message in a way where you love the product and you just want a sample try out, and if you like it, you're going to review the product, then it's fine. So this way you can get any product from Amazon for free, and then you can simply go ahead and make a video for that product. Or another way you can do this is simply tell the seller that, look, I am a TikToker and have a certain amount of following. I will take your product and make a viral TikTok video, and I will get more people to buy the product from your listing. If you do this, the person is definitely sending you products, because they know if they can make more money by just sending one product, they will do that. It's a no-brainer for them. Another advantage of reviewing products on TikTok is that when you review those products, people are going to follow you because they want to see more products, more weird and funny products. And when you're growing a following, you can monetize that following. You can then reach, let's say you have 50,000 followers, you can then reach out to a brand saying, I'll review your product for £500, and a brand will pay you £500 just to review their product. And if you can get them sales, they will want to do that over and over again. So you will consistently have new brands coming in, and you can simply make videos for brands and get paid just to do that as well, which is the crazy part and most people don't think about. Now I will leave you with these 3 side hustles, and before you click away, there's one thing I want you to know is that any side hustle you choose from here or any side hustle you choose from another video, it will take time to build the side hustle. So don't give up too quick, because everything works as long as you're willing to put in the work. Now, if you did enjoy the video, found anything helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and turn the bell on so every time I upload, you get notified. And go check out this video right here, because I think you will enjoy it a lot. I'll see you there.